Hi, today we are going to learn about the second method of single push button on off. That means in a single push button, then our output will be on and off. So take one NO. So I am taking here one NO, that is LD0, and I am taking alternate poles LTP Y0. Okay, now I have to compile this one. Yes, I have compiled and I have to write PC to PLC. Yes, and go online. Okay, you can see when I am pressing this single push button, then my output is on. You can see here, and that is my output. And when I will press the same input once again, then my output will be off. Yes, and this will be repeated again and again. When I will press once, then output is on. Once again, this is output is off. You can perform this from here, and the seton will not perform that. This is not simulation, this is a real type of PLC. So what you have to do, you have to force on my and I have to release all. Okay, you can see here my output is still on, and once again when I will make it on, my output will be off. Yes, and release all. Yes. So, and once again, if I want to on from here, yes, my output is on. Once again, you can see when I am pressing this one, once again, my output is off. This is the second method of single push button on off. So, keep watching my video and subscribe my YouTube channel for next method and next process. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video.